what are you doing in my refrigerator? I guess I've got to show you what I have in my refrigerator. I've been tagged by both Amy and Danielle. So let me start in my refrigerator. I have some Activa strawberry yogurt, some Dole pineapple, Jello sugar-free, slim fast, low carb, some Strongbow, Strongbow's cider. Really good stuff if you've never had it. Some Dan and Light and Fit. I have got some premium chunk white meat chicken salad. I just got that yesterday at Sam's Club. Some hot sauce. Jerky, Red Hot's my favorite. Some Cozy Shack, no sugar added apple pie a la mode. Back there in the back, I have some Cozy Shack, no sugar added rice pudding. Splenda, our friend. Lots of water. A few Slenderized. Blueberry, raspberry. It's a new flavor for me. Let's see. This is my cheese drawer. Got some Laughing Cow. These are my absolute favorite. Cabot, reduced fat, sharp cheese. It's 1.5% milk fats, and each one has, I think it's 50 calories. And this is not your ordinary gooey, gross, non-melting, reduced fat cheese. Really good. I get it at Sam's Club in a bag like this for like 10 bucks. Okay, I have a couple of bullets here, a 25, a 242s. They're on reserve for emergency use only after surgery. Let's see here, I've got some garlic paste. Let's go. Have some more Strongbow, some Diet Coke. Let's see, Dan and Light and Fit smoothie, strawberry banana, K2O, muscle milk, pineapple, loads of more Fuse in the background, Bumblebee, albacore, tuna steaks. This is the mesquite flavor. These are my favorite. I love these. They're 150 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, and only 370 milligrams of sodium. Well, that's kind of high, actually. But 0 carbs and 35 grams of protein. So if you can handle the sodium, it's really good. Remember, I'm pre-op, people. This is a roasted turkey, rotisserie turkey. I bought it at Sam's Club yesterday. I'm going to probably have it for dinner tonight. I have some tuna. What's that? Oh, I had this Livin' La Vida low carb bar that I won from Milk Mama. Let's see. I think I have a bit more Fuse down here. Some grapes. Some liquor, fat-free half and half, bonzo beans, baby beets. I've got Gala apples, some Granny Smith apples, and this drawer is my medication drawer. I take weekly injections of Enbrel. So these are my shirt click pens and my stuff like that. And let's see, we have lots of condiments, salad dressings, noni juice, olives, maple syrup. This is my all-time favorite dressing. Newman's Own light balsamic vinaigrette. It is so good. More hot sauce. I'm a big hot sauce person. Smucker's sugar-free strawberry preserves. Ketchup. I absolutely hate ketchup. Tropical banana conserve with Bermuda rum. Lemon juice. We have Crystal Light in fruit punch. That may actually be the cranberry. And peach tea. Then we have our regular stuff here, regular, light mayonnaise, mustards, barbecue sauce, butter, and I can't believe it's not butter. That's my refrigerator. Let's see what we have in the freezer. Ice. No sugar added fudgesicles. Tropical sugar-free popsicles. Trader Joe's steel cut oatmeal. Jenny O turkey breast tenderloin. It's tequila lime flavor. I love it. Beef hot dogs. Mixed vegetables. Green beans, my all-time favorite vegetable. Yellow squash, my second all-time favorite vegetable. Have some coffee, some dal. I have a lot of ice packs down here. When I get headaches, I like to put ice packs on my head. I have some graham cracker crumbs here for when I make cheesecakes, waffles, 100-calorie sandwich bread, whole wheat. Let's see. I have yeast when I make bread, lots of nuts. I have pecans, cannoli nuts, walnuts, peanuts. And here are my high-pro protein cookies from Trudy on eBay that Allison told us about. Got a whole mixture assortment of those. I have coffee, some black and white film, some more coffee, some Ciroc grape vodka from France. It's really, really good. Ice packs. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video.